Open the box and take out the robotic lawnmower and the accessories in sequence. Check if the robotic lawnmower and accessories are complete. Place the mower on a soft surface and turn it over. Remove the cover from the blade disc. Put A1 to its upright position. Take off the lighter protective cover. Install the charging station on an open and flat area and ensure it has good Wi-Fi signal coverage. Plan for at least 1 meter of free space to the left, right, and in front of the charging station. The grass around the charging station should be no longer than 6 centimeters. Use the hex key and screws in the accessories to secure the base plate to the ground. Insert the charging tower to the base plate until you hear a click. Insert the lighter cleaning brush into the charging station. Connect the extension cable to the power supply. Place the power supply at least 30 centimeters above the ground. Then plug the charger into an electrical outlet. The LED indicator on the charging station will show blue if all connections are correct. Once the charging station is ready, it's time to charge your robotic lawn mower. The LED indicator will blink green when the mower is charging. It will turn solid green when the charging is completed. Press stop to open the cover to access the control panel. Switch A1 on by pressing and holding power button for 2 seconds. Turn the knob to select your language. Press the knob to confirm. Next is to set a PIN code for your A1. Turn the knob to adjust the number. Press the knob to confirm and move on to the next digit. To change the last digit, turn the knob anti-clockwise until it becomes 0 and turn it once more. Enter your PIN code again for a second confirmation, and the PIN code is set successfully. Dreame Home app is a powerful and convenient tool for managing your lawn. Scan the QR code on Quick Start Guide and install the Dreame Home app on your phone. After the installation is complete, create an account and log in. Enable the Bluetooth function on your phone. Open Dreame Home app and keep your phone as close to A1 as possible. Tap Scan QR code and scan the QR code inside the cover of A1 to connect. Meanwhile, press and hold the knob on A1 for 3 seconds until you hear the voice prompt. Entering Bluetooth pairing mode. Tap Start Pairing and confirm your PIN code in the app to establish a Bluetooth connection. Now that Bluetooth connection is successfully set, let's set up the Wi-Fi connection so that you can make the most out of your mower. Make sure that A1 and your phone are in the same router environment. Select a Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Click Next to start the connection. When A1 is successfully connected to your phone, it will appear on the device list, and the Wi-Fi icon will light up on the display. Switch the mower off and turn it over. Remove the screws of the battery compartment using a Phillips screwdriver and open the cover. Unplug the battery connector and take out the battery. Connect the link module to the module connector until you hear a click and insert it into the slot. Organize the module connection cable and ensure it is well placed. Install the battery and tighten the cover. Replace A1 to its position. Before mapping, please make sure 1. The battery level of your mower is more than 50%. 2. The mower is connected to your phone via Bluetooth. 3. Do not create boundaries on any slopes exceeding 27%. 4. For paths with a height difference of more than 4 centimeters, make sure to place a ramp to allow your robotic mower to successfully navigate your garden. 5. It is not recommended to create boundaries in areas narrower than 1 meter. 6. The mower should dock correctly in the charging station, and the lighter protective cover is removed. Open Dreame Home app and tap Start Creating. The app will switch to language orientation, and A1 will check its status before exiting the charging station, and then start calibration. Start creating the boundary by controlling the mower to move to the edge of the lawn. Tap Set Starting Point. Then remote control the mower to move along the edge of your lawn to create the operating area, which you'll be able to check on the app as well. Don't forget that we need to walk within 5 meters behind the mower during remote control. If there is a height difference of 4 centimeters between the edge of your lawn and the adjacent ground, keep at least 10 centimeters distance between the mower and the edge. When turning, the angles should be greater than 90% for safety. To end the mapping, wait until the mower returns to the place 1 meter near the starting point and tap Close Boundary. At this time, we've successfully created the boundary of your garden. If there are areas in your garden, such as pools or flower beds, where grass cutting is not needed, you can use the app to set up no-go zones. Tap No-Go Zone and read the precautions. Remote control the mower to the point where you want to start creating a no-go zone to set the starting point. Then control the mower to move around the zone. And meanwhile, you can check the route on the app in real time. Tap Close Boundary on the app to stop zone mapping. You can also set the type for the no-go zone. Confirm the settings, and the no-go zone is created. You can go on with another one or exit this page. If your lawn is divided by roads or you have several isolated lawns, you can create work zones for these isolated areas. Tap Work Zone on the app and read the precautions. Remote control the mower to the point where you want to start creating a work zone to set the starting point. Then control the mower to move around the zone. And meanwhile, you can check the route on the map in real time. When the mower returns to the starting point, tap Close Boundary on the app to stop zone mapping. Confirm the settings, and the work zone is created. You can go on with another one or exit this page. If you have multiple isolated lawn areas, you need to create a path between them, or the mower won't be able to work across them. Tap Path on the app and read the precautions. When the mower enters either area and is over 1 meter away from the boundary, tap Set Starting Point. Remote control the mower to the boundary of another zone, and meanwhile, you can check the route on the app in real time. When the mower enters the other area and is over 1 meter away from the boundary, tap Set End Point. If your charging station is not in the work area, you need to create a path between it and a work zone as well for the mower to return home. Set the starting point as long as the mower enters the work area and is at least 1 meter away from the boundary, and set the end point once the mower is within 0.2 meters of the charging station. After you finish creating the working areas, no-go zones, and paths for your garden, tap Finish Map on the app. When you hit the Finish button, the mower should be within the map, or you will be prompted to remote control it until it is within the work areas. When the map is finished, the mower will perform a self-check. We've completed our garden map. Here are the tips before mowing. A1 has multiple mowing options. Set your mowing preferences on the app in advance to fit your needs. Tap Start on the app to start a mowing task. By default, the all-area mowing mode is performed. To pause the operation, tap Pause and tap Continue to resume the task. For the mower to return to the charging station, tap Return to Station. Then it will be sent back to the station to charge. However, you can also choose to control through the mower's control panel. Enter the pin code on the control panel. Press the Start button and close the top cover in 5 seconds. By default, the all-area mowing mode is performed. To switch to another mowing mode, turn the knob to choose any mode you want. As for pausing the task, press the red Stop button. Once pressed, A1 will be locked and cannot be started directly through app. To resume mowing, enter the pin code on the control panel first, and then press the Start button and close the top cover in 5 seconds. To stop the mowing task and send the mower back to the charging station, confirm your pin code on the control panel and then press Home button. Close the cover in 5 seconds, and the mower will return to the charging station for charging. To improve the performance and lifespan of A1, please perform regular cleaning and replaces worn parts at the recommended intervals. Before cleaning, please power off A1 and unplug the charging station. Use a soft water hose to rinse the mower. The key parts to wash include wheels, blade disc, and back cover. For stubborn stains, use a cleaning brush. Wipe the lidar sensor with a soft, dust-free cloth. After that, cover the lidar sensor. Then wipe the display. Button panel, Stop button. Continue to wipe the charging contacts. Remember to keep the contacts dry. And turn the mower over, making its bottom facing up. Wipe the blade disc and blades. Remember to keep them dry as well. After that, check whether they can rotate properly. If yes, return the mower to the upright position. To clean the charging station, start with the charging contacts and reflective films. Remove the worn lidar cleaning brush from the station and install a new one. Before winter storage, fully charge the A1 mower's battery. After charging, power off the mower. Unplug the charging station and disconnect the power supply. Then, store the mower and charging station in a suitable location. If the garden changes significantly the following year, it is recommended that you create another map for it. Please replace the mower's blades regularly to keep them sharp. First of all, power off the mower and cover the lidar sensor. Then put the mower on a soft surface and turn it over. Remove a receptacle by pressing the button under the blade disc, so you can continue to remove the blade by aligning the hole of the blade with the shaft. Repeat these steps to remove the other 2 sets of blades. Align the hole of a new blade with the shaft and install the blade. Press and hold the button below the blade disc again to install receptacles. And then install another 2 blades one by one.